Most people think flea markets are picked clean. And honestly, they're not completely wrong. Most of what you find out here is junk. Broken stuff, fake watches, or things nobody wants anymore. But every once in a while, something special slips through the cracks. The kind of find that hundreds of people walk right past without even noticing. That's exactly why I'm here today. I've got a limited budget, a few hours to hunt, and one goal: find watches worth a lot more than what people are asking for them. The problem is, for every great find, there are 10 bad ones. And for every hidden gem, there are dozens of fakes. So today, I need your help. Watch closely and let me know in the comments which watches you'd buy and which ones you'd leave behind. And here's the challenge. Try to spot the best find of the day before I do. I have a feeling we're going to find something good. One more thing before we start. Some of the best watches in my collection almost got left behind at flea markets. Not because they were bad, because they looked like junk at first glance. So today, I'm trying not to make that mistake again. Let's see what we can find. And just a few minutes after arriving, I spot a closed box. Nobody is looking at it. Nobody is opening it. And the funny thing is, I have no idea what's inside either. So let's find out together. Here we go. And right away, an Orient. Not just any Orient, a really nice diver. Honestly, this is not how I expected the day to start. Take a look at the case. Look at the condition. It barely needs anything. A quick polish and that's about it. I paid $55 for it. So tell me, good deal or too much? Drop your answer in the comments. So far, the day is off to a great start. But if you think this is the best find of the day, I'd wait before making that decision. Let's keep moving. There are more sellers out today than last time. The weather is better. The market still isn't full, but that's not always a bad thing. Fewer people means less competition, and sometimes that's exactly when the best watches show up. For now, it's mostly random parts, old watch pieces, and things that belong in a junk box. Just look at this fake Rolex case. Stuff like this is everywhere. That's why you have to keep digging. The good stuff is rarely sitting on top. The next table catches my eye immediately. There are watches everywhere. And experience has taught me one thing. When a table has too many watches, most of them are usually fake. And this one is no exception. Rolex, Vacheron Constantin, Breguet, almost all copies. But then something interesting appears. A Molnia pocket watch. No crystal, worn case. Most people would walk right past it. But look at the movement. And more importantly, the balance is still alive. Now things get interesting. The price? Just $10. Some people spend more than that on a watch strap. This gets you a working 1953 movement. Would you buy it? Let me know. And trust me, this isn't even the oldest thing we'll find today. A little later, I run into the resellers again. Nice watches, not so nice prices. Sometimes I feel like sellers just make numbers up on the spot. But even here, I managed to find something interesting. A Casio Edifice World Time. Lots of functions, nice condition, already polished. When I first heard the price, I almost kept walking. But in the end, it came home with me for $35. And the longer I look at it, the more I like it. Right now, it's one of the strongest contenders for best purchase of the day. But I'll let you decide. Would you buy this for $35 or leave it behind? Let me know in the comments. Because we're not done yet. There are still plenty of watches waiting to be found.
So far, the day has been pretty good.
But there's one rule at flea markets. Never get excited too early. Because the next find might be even better. Or it might be complete junk. That's exactly why I keep coming back. You never know what's waiting on the next table. Some people come here looking for clothes. Some hunt for jewelry. Others search for antiques. We're here for watches. And a few minutes later, I spot something interesting. At first glance, it looks a lot like a Rolex. From a distance, most people would probably mistake it for one. But it's actually a Casio. And you know what? These watches have plenty of fans too. Not everyone wants a Rolex. Some people just like the look. The price? Only $8. What do you think? Would you buy it or leave it behind? Let me know in the comments. Let's keep moving. One thing I love about flea markets is that you never know what's going to show up on the next blanket. Some sellers bring the exact same stuff every week. Others show up with completely new inventory every time. Some buy things from local neighborhoods. Some bring stuff in from small villages. Others buy entire boxes of old belongings. That's why the best finds always seem to appear out of nowhere. The next purchase is an amphibia. It's definitely not perfect. The dial needs work. It's missing a seconds hand. The case needs polishing. The crystal needs polishing too. There's a lot to do here. But if everything goes right, these could turn into a really nice watch. So, what do you think? Do you see a future restoration project? Or just an old watch? Let me know. We keep searching. There are plenty of watches around, but not many that make me want to reach for my wallet. Sometimes you have to walk past 10 tables just to find one interesting piece. Then I notice something funny. A toy dog. And next to it, a sign that says, "Money for the dog's sausage." The funniest part? People are actually leaving money. I've seen a lot of weird things at flea markets, but this one's new. Anyway, back to the watches. And the next find is much more interesting. A lady's Seiko. Beautiful dial. Clean case. And it cost just $8. I love finds like this. Sometimes the most overlooked watches end up being the most rewarding. What do you think? Good buy or easy pass? Let me know. And for some reason, I have a feeling the best finds are still ahead of us. A few minutes later, that feeling starts looking pretty accurate. Another diver's watch. This time an Orient. 200 meters. Great looking model. Beautiful dial. You can tell it's been worn. The crystal has some scratches. The case could use some attention. But none of that worries me. A little polishing, a new crystal, and it becomes a completely different watch. The price was $40. Now here's a question. Which Orient would you rather have? The first one for $55 or this one for $40? Drop your answer below. I'm genuinely curious. Let's keep going. The next find is a lady's Orient in a gold tone case. Just $5. Not sure yet whether it'll be restored or used for parts, but for that price, the risk is pretty low. A little later, I spot a Swiss Army watch. At first, I thought it might be something interesting. I take a closer look, then another look, and almost immediately realize it's a cheap fake. Back on the table it goes. Mistakes like that can get expensive, and that's how people lose money at flea markets. But then I come across something that makes me stop and stay there for a while. A G-Shock, a really unusual model. A pretty rare one, too. And honestly, it looks great. The problem? It wasn't working when I bought it. And that's where the gamble starts. Sometimes all it needs is a battery. Other times it's completely dead. The price was $25. These are the purchases that always make me nervous. Because you never know if you're buying a hidden gem or a future headache. Still, I couldn't leave it behind. What would you do? Would you take the risk or walk away? Let me know in the comments. Because for me, this might be the most controversial purchase of the entire day. Before we move on, I spot another watch hidden among a pile of random stuff. At first glance, it doesn't look like much. Just a small women's watch covered in dirt. Most people wouldn't even pick it up. But flea markets have taught me one thing. Sometimes dirt hides value. All this watch really needs is a good cleaning and a polished crystal. That's it. And the price? Just $1. $1. For that kind of money, I'll take the risk every time. What do you think? Hidden gem or just another dollar spent for no reason? Let me know in the comments. And now, let's see what else is hiding out here. And this is where things start getting really interesting. Because the longer I walk around flea markets, the more I notice one thing. The best finds almost never look expensive. They're buried in boxes, mixed in with random stuff, sitting among watches nobody even bothers to pick up. And a few minutes later, I find exactly that. A Seiko 5. At first glance, nothing special. Most people would probably walk right past it. But there's one detail. The second hand has fallen off. Because of that, the seller figured the watch wasn't worth much. For me, that's a different story. Sometimes a problem looks a lot worse than it really is. The price? Just $15. And if the movement is still alive, a simple restoration could turn this into a very different watch. I think it's a strong buy. But what do you think? Hidden gem? Or am I being too optimistic? Let me know in the comments. Let's keep moving. The closer you get to the end of the market, the more interesting things become. Sometimes the best stuff is sitting where most buyers never even make it. And on one of the last tables, I spot two old watches, a Pobeda and a Raketa. One from the 1960s, the other from the 1980s. Classic Soviet watches. And the best part? Both of them cost me just $6. These aren't the kind of watches that make you rich, but they do have something else. History. That's why I love old Soviet watches. Every one of them has a story. Somebody wore them every day. Somebody got them as a gift. Somebody passed them down through the family. And now they're sitting here, waiting for a new owner. So which one would you choose? The Pobeda or the Raketa? Let me know. Because we're not done yet. The flea market always saves a few surprises for the end. A few minutes later, I spot another watch. From a distance, it looks promising. Interesting case, interesting dial, interesting design. Enough to make me pick it up right away. But then I take a closer look, and the magic disappears. Just another cheap Chinese watch. That's the thing about flea markets. They're always testing how careful you are. So back on the table it goes, and we keep moving. But the last purchase of the day turned out to be one of the most unusual. At first, I wasn't even sure what I was looking at. A Swiss case, a Swiss movement, but a Soviet dial. A watch built from parts of completely different worlds. And honestly, those are the watches I enjoy the most. Because they're unique. They have character. They have a story. And they make you wonder how they ended up this way. The craziest part? It cost me just $1. $1. These days, that's barely enough for a bottle of water. And here it bought an entire watch. So what do you think? Would you have picked this one up or left it behind? And now let's take a look at everything we found today. An Orient, a Casio, an Amphibia, a Seiko, a G-Shock, a Pobeda, a Raketa, and a few other interesting pieces. Honestly, this hunt turned out better than I expected. But now it's your turn. Which watch wins today? What was the best purchase? Which one would you add to your collection? And which one would you leave on the table? Let me know in the comments. I read as many comments as I can, and I'm always curious to hear your opinions. That's it for today's hunt. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you at the next flea market. Because who knows, the next great find might already be waiting for us.